On June 28, 2025, severe thunderstorms and even supercells were possible in the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia. Storms developed mid-afternoon, going severe, developing mid-level rotation and producing significant rainfall across the area, along with winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and frequent lightning. Frequent lightning was a significant factor. Where hundreds of cloud-to-ground strikes were seen across the area. It is Saturday, June 28th, 2025, around 2:45 p.m., and we have storms firing here in the western terrain of the Shenandoah Valley, moving into the I-81 corridor shortly. They are ramping up in intensification. We have had lightning picking up here to our west. Very heavy rain is involved in these storms, which could prompt flash flood watches or even warnings here in the next couple hours. We do have a severe thunderstorm potential as well today. These storms could produce damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour and some small to quarter-sized hail. It's about 3 p.m. here in Bridgewater, Virginia, and we have an absolute textbook severe storm right here behind us, trying to develop a wall cloud. Very frequent lightning. We have been seeing this thing rapidly intensify in the last couple minutes. This is going to be moving up Route 11 pretty much into Harrisonburg shortly. Look at the absolute incredible structure here on this behind us. This is going to be something to watch over the next hour or two in the Shenandoah Valley, moving northeast up the I-81 corridor at about around 25 to 35 miles an hour. Y'all be safe out there. just out of frame.